Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can disable splash screen in Blender. So when you open Blender, you'll see the splash screen. So let me show you what you have to do. Go to Edit, Preferences, and here, Interface. And now you should see here a splash screen. So just uncheck, and now you disable splash screen. Make sure you save preferences. But if at any time you like to open splash screen, just click on the Blender logo, and down here you have splash screen. Click on it, and now here we go. We have the splash screen. If you want to select something, so yeah, I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.